So, yun guys, hello. Just want to share three things na natutunan ko kanina sa Sunday service. Three things. Number one, cell group leader, mas scary the message. Hindi lang dapat si Jesus Christ yung nagkikarry ng message. Dapat pati tayo. Secondly, cell leaders carry a model. Si Jesus Christ, nung nabuhay siya, he lived a life of model. Model of teaching, helping people, caring for people. But most of all, meron siyang ginawang model. Yung model of 12. He disciple 12 people. Kapag umili siya, iniwanan niyan 12. Sila yung magbibigay ng impact doon sa future generations. Yan yung ginawa ni Jesus Christ. And for us, tayo mga cell leader, kung gusto pa natin na magkaroon ng impact yung life ng mga next generation, ng future generation, to serve this generation, we must carry the model of 12 of Jesus Christ. And lastly, we must carry the movement. We must carry the movement. Dapat meron tayong winning atmosphere. The cell groups, dapat we take time to stop doing what we usually do in cells and go out from our cells and evangelize people. Catch fish. Kasi yun naman yung sabi ni Jesus Christ, diba? He will make us fishers of men. And dapat tayo, ganun din yung heart natin. That we make people fishers of men. So, yun lang po. Bye-bye.